Hello guys, this is How to Socials, and today I'm going to show you how you can get iPhone emojis on your Android mobile phone. Now I'm going to read you through an article which will help you find out how to do it, and should explain you pretty clear what the steps are. Now the first step is choosing an emoji app. You're going to go to your Google Play Store and just choose emoji app such as Kika, Kickboard, Face Emoji, Emoji Kickboard, and just pick one of them that you like and just download it. Now, in order to use the keyboard from the app, you are going to go to the system, to your settings system, language and input, virtual keyboard, and choose manage keyboards. Then you are going to choose the keyboard provided by the emoji app. Then you're going if in case you want to use a font app, you're going to go to settings, display, and font style, and once again you're going to choose the font provided by your app. Then you are going to go to your app and just look in the settings and in the types of emojis provided, and you should be able to find all the emojis that you want, including Huawei ones, iPhone ones. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one, guys.